Good morning, guys. Welcome back. We're to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going on the first drive in my Chrysler 300. I have all the paperwork here. We're going to go get this thing insured, licensed, and registered, and insurance, and we'll come back hopefully today with a plate and get this thing going. All right, guys. So got the thing assessed. Got insurance for 6 months. We're going to go on that. Insurance actually wasn't that bad. $260 something for 6 months. So we got insurance, we got our license plate. Now I do have to find screws for this license plate, but my question to you, if you have any vanity plate ideas, I really want to get a vanity plate for the car. If you have any vanity plate ideas, drop a comment, let me know. If I really like your idea, I will give you a shout out in one of the videos. But y'all let me know. I do appreciate it. But I'm going to try to find some screws, put this tag on, and we're going to be ready to take this thing for its first drive. Alright, guys, so the plate is on. I got everything I need. It is raining, so I'm going to let it hopefully simmer out, and then we're going to take this thing for its first drive. I need to get cleaned up because I'm filthy. But we're going to take this thing first drive here momentarily. Alright, guys, so I actually determined I don't care. I don't necessarily care that it's raining or that I'm dirty. We are going for a ride. So threw the tag on, it's good to go. So I need to put my insurance stuff in this little thing, and well, we're gonna go for the first drive. You see the mileage there. So I'm gonna hop in this thing, put everything in here, and we'll get this thing fired up. Alright, well, here we go. So I know the battery in the key fob is low. I need to get my other keys programmed. So I have 2 new keys for this car. Like I said, I need to get them cut and programmed. And if you hear that squeaking, I don't know if y'all heard that, but anyway, we need to get sway bar bushings for this car. But anyway, I guess I'm gonna take this thing for a drive and see how she does. Also, guys, one thing I failed to mention too, this thing desperately needs an alignment and windshield wipers. I don't know if y'all can see. These things are terrible, but I think we'll manage. But I'm gonna call tomorrow, see if I can get an alignment, and at some point we'll stop and get some windshield wipers for this thing and get it taken care of. We also need to get it cleaned. Yeah, you can most definitely see all that on camera. This thing is filthy, so we'll do that at some point as well. But anyway, I think this thing is warming up. We don't have much gas, so we'll probably stop somewhere, throw some gas in here, and I will update y'all then. Alright, guys, so we've made it here to the fuel station. This is where I always get diesel for the red truck, and the thing's doing great. It definitely needs an alignment, but the thing's doing great. So I guess I'm gonna take the long way home and enjoy this thing a little bit. Alright, guys, so we just made it back. Y'all see the mileage there. Now, the car did fantastic. Now, I will say at 55 or so, a little bit of vibration. That's probably because the front end's out of line. Needs alignment, and I'm sure driving around, the tires might have scooped a little bit. Probably put 30 maybe miles on it today. So, but other than that, the car drives great. One thing I will say that's kind of interesting, and every other car that I've drove with AFM or MDS, multi-displacement system, does this, but it kind of kicks back and forth between the 4-cylinder mode and V8, like eco mode and V8 and all that stuff. So as I figured, it's a little clunky in this car, but that was, as far as I know, this was the first year of that. And Chrysler, this is the first year of this car. and all that stuff. So kind of be expected. Nothing really terrible, but as you're cruising around, it kind of a little clunky. Kind of kicks back and forth, but other than that, this thing is super comfortable, and I like it. So I'm gonna say this might be the new daily. It's got air. The 6.0 does not have air. Thank you very much, Red Truck. We've replaced just about everything in the cooling system on that truck, and it won't work. So it's nice that this has it. One other thing that I noticed that I like about this car, heated seats. The controls are up here. Whereas on the 6.0, they're on the front corner of the seat on the bottom. So it's nice that they're up here, and these actually have high and low, which is very nice. So anyway, I think tomorrow I'm going to try to get this thing aligned, hopefully if everybody's not too busy, being Friday. And then at some point, we need to get this thing cleaned up on the interior. So interior, like I said, it's pretty dirty. But we really haven't cleaned the interior since I got the car, and it was dirty when I got the car. So it does need a clean, but all in all, I'm very, very happy with this thing. The sunroof, also, very nice. I love the sunroof. I kind of was riding around with the shade open. But, guys, y'all let me know. Are there some things that y'all would like to see done to this car? Any companies y'all want to see me work with? Anything like that? I do have those Azaras that I'm going to put on this car, those wheels. I need to get new tires for those, and I do intend to powder coat those wheels. I have a color in mind that I haven't talked about, but anyway, I guess that's it. So, super proud of this thing. I know it's kind of like, well, it's a 2005. It's only got 143,000 miles. It should do fine, but it's nice that, or it's nice to be able to take a car that's been sitting for who knows how long. I've had the thing over 2.5 years and haven't drove it more than just up the street and back. Maybe, generally we went from this driveway to the shop driveway, and that was it. So I'm pretty happy, to say the least. So again, y'all let me know. I need some vanity plate ideas, and if y'all have any things you want to see put on this car, any companies you want to see me work with, definitely let me know. But again, this thing is filthy. It needs a clean. Let me hop out of here and I'll show y'all this seat, because y'all know I bought a different seat for this car, because the original one had duct tape on it, but this thing is also very, very dirty. But anyway, there we go. Success. So again, let me know what y'all think. If y'all have any vanity plate ideas, let me know as well. But like I said, I think tomorrow we're going to take this thing, try to get it aligned, and we should be good to start putting some more miles on this thing. So guys, again, if y'all have anything y'all want to see on the car, definitely let me know, because I'm open to suggestions. I got a bunch of things in mind I want to do, but I'm always open to suggestions. So anyway, I guess oh, I only put, this is nice, $25 gets me a half a tank of gas in this car. The red truck there, about $125 off of 3/8 of a tank to full, maybe more. Now diesels went up, but that's pretty nice. I'm interested to see how this car does on fuel, being a 5.7, but all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. So also, one thing I did kind of do, I threw together a little montage at the beginning of the video. So hope y'all enjoyed that. But anyway, guys, I think that is going to be a wrap for today's video. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed today's video or find it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button, because we are nowhere near finished with this car. We're done with the rebuild, but I got a bunch I want to do to this thing, and I want to make it a really, really nice car. So y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.